Hi, this is Miss Todoric, and this is our stock market game update. We started this game at the end of October, and it finishes this Friday. So students got to play it Mondays and Fridays, and although we started late, they did an excellent job. If you are a business teacher listening to this, I highly recommend this game and introduce it to any one of your business classes. We do this in Intro to Business, and students love it. It also gives you a spreadsheet of all the high schools competing and where you are ranked. So currently we are at 198 is our first place, and then you will see all the other groups ranked. This particular game, I think there were close to 900 schools competing. Good job, class. I'll give you the final update and announce the winners on Friday.